Hypercarnivores have a diet of over 70% meat. This one is the largest to walk the earth, and one of the very few animals known to actively hunt humans. But a polar bear's preferred prey is seal. To survive a life below zero, she must eat more than 50 a year. But catching them is tough, even for such a specialized seal stalker. Orienting tail to the wind, a seal uses its sense of smell to detect predators approaching from behind, while keeping a lookout for any attack from the front. UV intensifying eyesight helps see through the bear's snow-white disguise. And a smart seal always keeps an emergency exit close by. Out here, it takes more than brute strength to make a kill. With fewer than 2 seals every square mile, tracking them down is a challenge. And now there's less sea ice due to climate change. Her search for food is even harder. Thankfully, she has an extraordinary super sense on her side. Her sense of smell, the most powerful nose in the animal kingdom. She can even sniff out a seal under the ice. From over a mile away, she picks up a scent carried on the wind. Locked onto her target, approaching from downwind, she closes in. Securing enough food just to stay alive is hard enough. Providing for a growing family, even harder.